Hey everybody, welcome back to Rojo Travel Adventures. So today we are going to bring you guys 15 items that we have personally used on our travel adventures through cruising, through just general traveling. These items are things that we have used, that we have found that have made our vacations more enjoyable, more relaxing. And I mean, come on, we're on vacation, so that's what this is all about. So stick around, check out the links below. Everything that I'm going to show you today is going to be listed in the links below. And if you guys have used any of these items or have any comments about anything, please post up. Let us know. Let us know if you've tried any of these things or have suggestions on anything. All right? Stick around. And also don't forget, I'm supposed to remind you, click like and subscribe on Rojo Travel Adventures. All right, you guys, so these little handy dandy guys are cruise luggage tag holders. We have used these many times, and you put these on your luggage when you get to your cruise port. Don't try to get ahead of the game and put them on at the airport. You will lose them. They'll get broken off because we all know airports are not that kind to our luggage. Put these on at the cruise ports. If you've been on a cruise before, you'll know that everybody gets color coded, and so we have one here from Norwegian, one from Carnival, and then of course I got a clear one that you guys can see through. They're waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any of the paper getting smudged. They have these really good fasteners that are easy to secure to your luggage. They've got big openings, and they're real easy to work with. Pick these up. You'll be real happy you have them. Here we have TSA pre-approved luggage locks. They do come in two different sizes. We really like using the bigger ones because they fit around your luggage a lot easier. TSA does have access to these, so if you're one of those people that likes to lock up your luggage before you hit the airports, then grab a set of these from Amazon, and you don't have to worry about having your luggage locks broken off anymore or getting that really uncomfortable announcement through the airports. Hey, come down and see us, we need to get into your luggage. Check these out. Okay, so next up for luggage purposes is going to be a travel scale, and this is incredibly useful. You know how it is, you get to the airport and you never really know if you're going to hit that luggage limit or not, that weight limit. This will save you all the stress. You won't have to be one of those people that's on the airport floor trying to maneuver your souvenirs or your clothing or, you know, those special items from one piece of luggage to the other. So grab this luggage scale. It's got a good sturdy strap. It hooks to itself so you can weigh your luggage before you leave home. It's got a real easy readout, and just drop this in the luggage. After you weigh it, drop it in your luggage, put it in your carry-on so you always have it with you and you don't have to worry about being over the weight limit at the airport. The other thing I have for you guys is the universal travel adapter. This is very small, it's cruise friendly, and it's has not only US adapters on here, but there's also United Kingdom and the other European nations. You also have two USB and USB-C adapters on here. So this is really convenient because you know how on cruises, you never have enough plugs. This is gonna take care of that. Okay, you guys, so here is another favorite item that we have. This is a power strip. This one is also cruise compliant. We've been taking a lot of cruises lately, so we've found what works and what doesn't. Cruise ships never have enough plugs, and this one works out really well for us. This one also has a really long cord because you know every time you want to plug something in, you don't have the plug where you need it. So it does have 3 regular plugs, USB as well as USB-C. Again, cruise compliant, so this will work well. It won't get taken away from you like those power adapter or surge protectors that they say that definitely don't go on cruise. This one is a good one. Check out this link down below. We also have our Bluetooth Powerbeats headphones, and I can't hear you, but I think you can hear me. No, seriously though, these are really nice. They're super comfortable. Wear them on the plane, wear them when you're working out. They are compact. They have a great little carrying case. So Powerbeats, these are super comfortable and they work really well. We also have our Bluetooth Bluetooth wireless speaker, sorry. And we use this one a lot. We like to have our music in our rooms, whether we're on the cruise, whether we're in a hotel room, maybe we're just out doing whatever. And this will easily connect to your cell phones. You can use it if you're out by the pools, and it's got great volume. It has a lot of bass to it. And maybe you're wanting to have a special night and you need that romantic music. This one will hook you up. go check this one out. And also guys, don't forget, all of these items that we're showing you guys here today are linked below. They are from Amazon, so go check them out. Okay, you guys, these ones I was not so sure about. What are they? Silicone covers for your bottles. They will keep all of your toiletries safe, prevent leaks and spills in your luggage. How disastrous is that? You go out on vacation, you get to your destination, you open up your suitcase and your stuff is spilled or it's leaked or a bottle exploded or whatever. They come in these snazzy little colors and they fit right over the tops of your bottles. So they're all silicone, they stretch out real super easy, and they keep everything nice and safe and all of your essentials dry. This item that we were protecting is the silicone Downy, the Downy wrinkle release. This has been so handy when we travel. I am not the ironing person. That's Mr. Cameraman. He loves to iron his clothes. I could do without. I break out this bottle, I spritz down my clothes before I jump in the shower, let it hang on a hanger, and by the time I'm done showering and getting ready to get dressed, whatever wrinkles I had in my clothes have come out. I even did a picture test, and we'll try to post that up later, that I had the most wrinkled shirt. I sprayed it when I got in the shower, when I was done getting dressed, all those wrinkles were out. It works beautifully. Not 100% as good as an iron, but it's really worth the money, and I highly recommend these. I believe they come in a 3-pack and it's totally worth it. Also, we have these magnetic clips. Now, these magnetic clips are super handy, especially when you are traveling in cruise cabins, because we all know there's never enough space in cruise cabins. There's never enough hooks, whatever it is you're trying to do. These magnetic guys, they are so strong and so powerful. They come in a pack, I think of like 10, and put them on your wall to hang up your lanyards, hang up towels, bathing suits. If you just need some extra hooks, extra space in your cruise cabins, magnetic, anywhere magnetic actually, and they work really well. Check them out. Okay, next up we have our large pill organizer. This is super convenient because this helps you from having to bring all of those extra pill bottles or vitamin supplement bottles, whatever it is that you're bringing with you. This has six holders within one, I guess is a good way to put it, and it's got an easy flip top cap. Nice and secure. It will rotate so you can easily get to whatever pill that's in here. Again, there's 6 of them in here. It's pretty compact and easy for traveling. You don't have to worry about bringing all those extra bottles with you when you do travel and you need to pack. Also is our first aid kit. Not ours, but a first aid kit. We've really liked this one because it's got this cute little carabiner on her so it can hook onto something. And it's, you know, how often are you out traveling and you're like, oh man, I need a Band-Aid. If you've got this super small, super easy to pack first aid kit, then you've got all your first aid essentials with you next time you need something. All right, you guys. If you've seen any of our videos or any of our posts, you know that I love to take pictures. And we recently discovered that taking our cell phones underwater, not such the best idea. So I went and invested in the Kodak Pix Pro. This one is waterproof, it's very rugged, it's small, compact, and easy to travel. So when I want to do my water activities, my snorkeling and just being out by the water or by the beach, I'm taking this now instead of my cell phone. I cannot afford to lose another cell phone or to get it water damaged or whatever the case. So this is the camera I have come to rely on, and I absolutely love it. We also invested in these water straps. And these are really convenient. They hook real easy to the camera. And if I happen to drop this in the water for any reason, this is going to hold it up floating, so it's easy to see. They do come in a pack of yellow and red, just happens to be the color of the camera, but this camera does come in other colors, so check that out too. Also, we have our his and her fans. These have proven to be lifesavers for us for traveling, whether you're sitting on a plane and it's stuffy, or you're out walking around and you're dying from heat and humidity. These fans have been worth their money, okay? Both of them are digital, they are rechargeable, and they both have some really unique features. So Mr. Cameraman's, this is his is a little bit different. His is, it also can sit flat, so if you are wanting to put it tabletop or just whatever, it's right next to you. Again, digital, easy to see, all the controls on the front. Mine has something slightly different. It's the base. There's a base that it sits in, so it'll sit up on the tabletop like this. I also have a little strap attached to mine so that when I'm walking around, because I'm dying of heat and humidity, this has proven to save the day. These are well worth the money, not very expensive at all. Check these out from Amazon. And here we have a crossbody. This has worked out really well for us. We bought this last year when we went to Italy. We're gonna be going to Australia again pretty soon. And this is just super convenient. His or hers, doesn't matter. This is so that you can, when you're traveling, you can keep all of your essentials right here in front. You don't have to worry about pickpockets or your items being behind you. You have everything up front. Keep all of your essentials, your travel must-haves right here up in front with you. It does have a good adjustable strap on here, so you can adjust it for body size. And if you did want to sling it around to the back, you absolutely can. It's very comfortable to wear both ways. So check this one out. Okay, you guys, hope you like these items, these things that we brought to you today. Keep in mind, whether you're traveling across the globe, setting sail on your next Caribbean adventure, or maybe just road tripping somewhere closer to home, these travel essentials will definitely help you keep you more comfortable, more organized, and definitely more relaxed. Be sure to stay tuned as we bring you more exciting finds from Amazon and get out there and adventure. Bye!
Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.